how we doing? Oh, out here chopping corn. Waiting on the next wagon. Yeah, got the box with the New Holland gear filled. I might hear the next wagon coming. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, there was Sheridan sale, Sheridan online auction, and this chopper came up for sale. $892 New Holland. Because we couldn't get that Alice to actually feed. So it's like, what do we do? It's like, well, let's look at that one. Because the other option was New Holland 770s. Which we looked in our parts book that we have for aftermarket parts. And that chopper didn't even show up. So it's like, well, we don't want that one. Alright, here comes the next wagon. And this one had a lot of aftermarket parts, so it's like, well, let me get this. The other option was a pair of, I had 4 different deer choppers. Hey YouTube! I'm gonna try to finish up chopping today. Get this one started. Chopping's going a little slower. Set in there. It's down to 1 wagon. Got the wagon with the new idea running gear loaded. And thought it was sagging a little. I thought it was just because we put a shorter tire on. Well, turns out the frame busted. There at the seat. And then the chain busted. So we're down to just wagon with the New Holland gear. Less than ideal, but at least we're running. Yeah, we got a New Holland chopper. That Alice is just being a nightmare. And this one came up for sale, so it's like, well, a little more than we want to spend, but it's nice. But you know what? For what we're doing and how it runs, I'm saying it's pretty good. The only problem is this easy hitch, or what the fuck, whatever the fuck they're called, I don't know, has a tendency to unlatch if you have the pin wrong. If you have it another 90 degrees, yeah, it unlatches. Found that out the hard way, but you hold it like that, it's pretty good.
want to see the little boys? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. All right, there's Jacob again.
Up there. Dad, can you see? Dad, I was going off to get over there.
No, not right now. Teach you patience.
Replacement cab. Yeah, they had it off in the 80s and replaced it.
You had that long.
Or no, 90s.